Okay, hi there. So I actually had really a lot of fun doing this project here. So the first one I'm going to show you is the one, this one is not related to my course theme, but I am going to find it really helpful in the future. So I decided to do one of my collections on education and teaching ideas. For this one, it was more about classroom management and stuff like that. So the first thing I started with was flexible seating. I really think that flexible seating could help a lot of different age groups concentrate and also feel more comfortable being around each other and the teacher. I did put a link here. This one just goes through like a lot of teachers' accounts of what happened when they did flexible teaching. Like this teacher said that grades improved, attendance improved, etc. Behavior went much better. All right, this is just another example. This is a pretty extreme example of flexible seating, but I thought that was a pretty nice example for younger age groups. Then I also did project-based learning because I really am excited to implement that in my teaching style whenever I graduate. So I did show, there is a whole article here about project-based learning and what that can look like. Here I put a few examples of what you can do with project-based learning. This one was specifically a timeline, which I'm really a fan of. Here I just put a picture, and then I will go back to my second one here. Now my second one is the one that connects to my course theme. All right, so right here I just talk about John Brown's raid at Harbor Ferry in 1859. Basically, this article is about how people's ideals changed and their opinions changed of him after 9/11. Which, you know, is pretty fitting considering that was just recently. This is a short video about Nat Turner's Rebellion. It also talks about its impact on the shaping of American government and all that after the fact. And this is another article, but also from the Nat Geo. Also talks about how all of the slave rebellions built up to the Civil War and affected how our government is today. This is just tools for teaching history and social studies. Discussion assignments. I actually really like these two ideas, giving the class an article, talking about it, and then comparing and contrasting a few documents. So another thing I wanted to show you was going here. So if you go here in your little like extensions thing, you're automatically in your page. So all you can create a new one here. You can go, excuse me, you can go to your collections there. You can go follow people or look at the people you follow. Now to search for people, you can also go here and search in whatever you want. Same with here, but this will show you just most popular things right now. So yep, that's how you use that, and that was the collections I made.